All right, let's go through 10 through 11. All right, let's see. 10 through 11, let's count those off. So we got 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 between 10 and 12. And let's go 12 to 14. So that's 1, 2, and 3. All right, now let's make some bars. Okay, so we're going to go from 6 to 8. There's 5. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 5 here. So I'm going to go all the way up there and over to 5. Okay, there's my first bar. Color it in if you want. You don't have to. 8 and 10, there's 7. So I'm going to put my top up there and just draw a bar down, draw a bar down. And then 10 and 12, there's 6. So you don't have to change colors. I do. It helps make things look a little bit neater and then more easily read. So let's look at 12 and 14. There's 3. So last color, go up to 3, over and down. And there we have our histogram. All right, let's answer these questions. What is the median of the data? All right, so to find the median, let's organize these. We have 7 sevens, or 5 sevens, sorry. I can't really get that information from here because I don't know exactly what numbers are in this range. So we have 5 sevens and then 5 eights. Okay, putting some commas in there. 2 nines, 4 tens, 2 11s, 3 12s, and 1 13. And now we're just going to find it. So counting off, so forth, and so on. Crossing them off as I go. Trying not to go too fast. Don't want to make any mistakes. So it looks like 9 and 9. So our median is 9. Okay, now let's take a look at the mean of the data. So that one's a little more challenging to find because I got to add up all of these numbers. But that's okay. Let's do a little grouping. So I have 5 sevens right here. So add all those up and I get 35. I have 8 eights. I have 5 eights. So that's 40. I have 2 nines. So that's 18. I have 4 tens. So that's 40. 2 11s. So that's 22. I have 1, 2, 3 12s. So that's 36. And then 1 13. And then we're going to just add all those up. Bring up my calculator here real quick. So we have 35 plus 40 plus 18 plus 40 plus 22 plus 36 plus 13. So that's 204. And then we got to divide it by the total. So that's 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. All right, so then we're going to divide 204 by 22, and we get 9.27, which just rounds up to 9.27 is the average shoe size. All right, let's take a look at doing Mr. Marag's and the number of the varsity basketball team scored this season per game. All right, so let's find our minimum and let's find our maximum. All right, so we got 30 looks to be our min, and our max, let's see, is about 40. Okay, so let's start counting. Let's go from 30. So 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. All right, so 30. Start counting. We got 130, 2 30s. 31s, we got 131. Okay, 32, got 1 and 2. 33, we got 1. Let's go with 34. We got 134, 134 as well. Let's do 35s. We got 1, 2, 2 35s. 36. So let's look. We got 1, 2, 3, 3 36s. Okay, and then 37 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 38, we got 1, 2, 3. 39, there's 1, and 40, there's 4. All right. So now we're going to do the same thing, but for our histogram. All right, so it looks like these are going by 2s again. All right, so we're going to start with our lower, which is 30 and 32, less than 32. So 30, that's 1, 2, 3, are between 30 and 32. Between 32, but less than 40. So that's, I'm sorry, less than 34. Oof, can't write. Less than 34. All right, so let's start with 32. That's 1 and 2. 33 counts, so that's 3. Okay, and then 34 and less than 36. So 34, there's 1, 35, 2, 35, 3. So we got 3 again. And then 36, but less than 38. So that's 36 and 37. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Between 38, but less than 40. Let's see, 38, but less than 40. Yeah. So that's 38, 2, 3. So that's 3. Let's see, I'm missing 1. 4. Okay, and then 40 to 42, since I haven't counted any 40s. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's just draw our boxes. Oops, not 40. 4. All right, starting with 30 to 32. So 30 to 32 is 3. I'm going to go up 3 bars and over. I color that in a little bit. Okay. Let's go 32 to 34 is again 3, and then go down all the way. All right, and then let's look at 34 to 36 is again 3, and then we'll go down. And then let's see, 36 to 38 is 7. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So extend that bar all the way up and then draw it down. And color in the middle if you want. You don't have to. 38 to 40 is 4. And then 40 to 42 is also 4. Okay, and there's our histogram. I will leave these for you to do on your own. And then let's take a look at, well, I'll show you how to do them. All right, so box and a whisker plot.